Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and I just got this massive box in from Scrapbook.com. Let's open it up and see what's in there. All right, this is just one of the many packages that was inside the box. This is crazy. I love this stuff. Okay, so I have been helping out Scrapbook.com lately, doing some videos for them. The Christmas Card a Day series was all with them. And I submitted all those videos, and I won prizes, and that's what all this mess is. It's not mess, it's amazing mess. Oh my God, it's so cool. Okay, so let's get this little guy out of the way. These are clear stackable daubers from scrapbook.com. They have the whole series of their own products, and this is one of them. Let me just take a look at this. This is so cool. They also have their own adhesives. So there is those. This is a permanent, and this is an adhesive dot roller. This is a strip, photo safe, pretty cool stuff. And now take a look at all of these other amazing things. So Prima, I obviously got a Prima. I won a Prima package. I won because I did so many videos of the cards. I submitted them all and I won all kinds of cool stuff. So scrapbook.com is amazing for their prizes and for their giveaways, and you can post your projects on their sites. I mean, it's just so cool. So one cool thing about all of these, this is the Misty Rose collection. One of the cool things that's gone on with these is that sometimes you get little fun things. So in this flower set, you get all these beautiful flowers, but you also get chipboard that goes with it, which I think is amazing. Here we have these beautiful flowers. I'm going to show you. But you also get a little die cut piece that goes with it. So this piece comes with it, and then you also get all the gorgeous flowers. So you no longer have to cut up the backing. It is removable for you, which I think is pretty smart. And these are like silk flowers. Those are so pretty. I love those. Something a little different. So if you're looking inside the packages, this piece is removable here. This piece is removable. These are all loose, but look, this piece is removable inside there. Inside the flowers, look, this piece is removable. So they kind of thought about that. Here's another frame, and look at these cool flowers. I love these. I'm gonna open one. I pulled it off the pop dot, but that's okay. I would just glue these down anyway. So look, they've already turned it into like a little cluster for you. And these are paper ones. So it's a mix, and there's gems in there. It's kind of like a little cluster already for you with the leaves and the whole thing. All this plastic is making a lot of noise, but I mean, look at the selection that you get here and the frame in the back. I've in love with Prima flowers for the longest time, but look, I love the chipboard. That is so cool. There's also a giant, I'm going to say it wrong again, ephemera pack, oh God. And there's stickers that go with it. So you get 73 pieces, you get the pack, and also you get a sheet of stickers. That's cool that they put the two things together. I think that's kind of fun. I love that. So this is all the Misty Rose. There is also, here's another one. Oh, these are different. Yes, they are different. These are different names. It just says sticker sheets. It just says Misty Rose, but there's two different kinds. They're all very Valentine-y. I love it. So I have some stuff to play with when I have Valentine's Day. So fun. Look at all those beautiful ones. I love it. So gorgeous. So all these little pieces. And then look, you get gems. And these aren't normal gems. Get out of the, it's probably going to just be as translucent. I'm going to see if I can get better out of the plastic. Yeah, it's a little better. Okay, so they're all faceted, and inside each of the gems, there's also glitter. So it's not just a shiny gem that's a color. Some of them have a little bit of like an ombre effect going. So even this one that is kind of pinky purpley, like a pinkish, like tones to silver, which I think is so pretty. I mean, these are so cool. I love it. And it's the new Say It in Crystals. It's just a little bit of a different thing that if you're putting, it's not just a solid color, it's got something to it. A little bit of a distressed vibe for you, I guess is the best way to describe it. So look at all these amazing flowers, but there's so much more. Hang on. All right, a little bit more from the Misty Rose collection. Still even more Prima stuff. I think it's so awesome. So these are washi tape pieces. So there's 3 of them, and look how gorgeous those are. So pretty. I love it. All right, we also have these melange art pebbles. I got to open it up and see. Apparently I had to make it fly across my desk as I opened it. But these little guys are a whole bunch of different colors. Vintage retro. It's very, I mean, the retro might be because it's all that oranges and yellows and stuff like that. But they're very, very pretty. Look at all these gorgeous things. Love them. There's some clear ones. They're very three-dimensional. I mean, they have some thickness to it. They're nice and large, which I think is so cool. And there's all these beautiful colors. I love that. And I love the little container that it comes in. Apparently I had a hard time opening it though because I launched them everywhere. I have to grab the ones off the ground. Well, it's skedaddled and I have no idea where it went. So It'll be found one day when I vacuum it up and go, why can't I vacuum this? But it's a cute little container. I love this. Art Pebbles. So much fun. All right. And then we have Opal Magic. This is an acrylic paint, pink blue. I'm not going to paint with it right now, but to show you, it's got that shimmeriness to it. Cool. This is Art Alchemy. This is from Finnabair, but it's produced by Prima. So this is a Finnabair line. This was also a Finnabair line here. Love my Finnabair stuff. All right, and here we have some textured fantasy effect rust paste. Ooh, so look at this. It's like Christmas, you know, it's kind of like my Christmas opening. This is like a Christmas present in itself. They put all my winnings in one package. Like I said, I think I won 3 separate prizes, but they shipped it all at once. It showed up as UPS today, which I think is amazing. This one's another effect rust paste. Look at that. I'm going to have to do some research on these, but they're so cool. So this one's called Old Walls, and this one's called Junkyard Treasures. So I'm guessing you kind of use them together. Does it have instructions? It's a thick paste with matte rust-like finish, perfect for creating rusty textures. Apply 3 colors with a palette knife. That's all it says. Haha, I found 2. It was resting just on the lip of my table. I rescued them. Okay, so taking a look at the rust paste. Look at it's got a little seal on there. I'm going to open up one, but I'm not going to open up all of them because as soon as you open it and you get air in there, it's going to start drying out. So I will sacrifice one for you guys. But look, it's very thick. As you can tell, it's super thick. It will have a little bit of movement to it, but it's very gritty. Yeah, it's got like texture. Definitely has like a sand texture inside of it, which I think is so cool. It's thick. It's like a modeling paste, but it's colored. Definitely is like what it says, like a grit paste. Very, very cool. And so you could go through and kind of mix and match. So this is a cool gray. This one's moss. And this one's cream. And those came together. And then in the other one, I got burnt sienna, lavender, and royal blue. But I mean, these 2 are like some of my favorite colors. And you know, you could totally mix and match. I mean, there's nothing that says you can't put these together. You're not going to get the effect that was on the box, but you can create your own effect, which I think is so cool. But I do love how they give you like a little kit and go, well, this is what you can make with it. And this is where you can go with it, which I think is kind of fun. And then obviously they have a whole line of paints. And if you haven't guessed it, all the stuff will be down below in the information section. So there'll be links to as many of these things as I can find for you at scrapbooks.com, which is awesome. I got a Frank Garcia little mini album. And look, it's already set for you. It's got beautiful giant pages. Oh, this is a gorgeous album. You can do so much with this. It's got a great binding on the back already. Look, it's already bound on there. Nice, good thickness between the pages, which allows you to add stuff to it. So look, it's a great book that you can do a lot of extra stuff to it. This is the Memory Hardware Collection, a rectangle journal. You could even go this way if you wanted to, but it definitely is kind of catered to going this way, but that is so cool. So now I have a little book that I can do something in. Woohoo! I got 2 50 packs of these universal page protectors, meaning I guess they could work for just about any book. It's a top-loading page protector that can go into your scrapbooks because it's scrapbook.com. That's where they started. And so I got a whole bunch of page protectors. Yay! I got a super thick sheet of chipboard from scrapbook.com. This is one of their brands as well. Nice 30 stick. I mean, this is thick, thick, thick. It's almost doubled. Like it almost looks like I could pull 2 sheets apart. It's that thick, which is awesome because then it would be great for book binding and for all kinds of other fun stuff. So it's a great piece to have. And even more with the Misty Rose collection. So when Prima puts out a paper collection, they tend to do it in a few different sizes. They do the journaling note cards, which is a 4x6. They do this is another journaling note cards. This is a 3.5, like the ATC size, a 3.5x4. Perfect for ATCs, and they're rounded corners. That's cool. I like that. As you can see, we have all the papers here. Stop, Smell the Roses. So I can find these. So here is the same one. They may have altered it where it is. For instance, this is at the bottom, this is the top, but it's the same concept. These are rounded as well, which I think is fun. And look at all these cool note cards that you can use. Very cool. We also have the same thing in a 6x6 paper pad. And so you can see all the beautiful pages in here. I love it. It's a little bit different. You're not going to get exactly the same. So for instance, in the note card, the Stop and Smell the Roses, that will not be in here because it's a different size. And these are more like background papers. See the difference? But the vibe is definitely the same. See how there's the watercolor of all those flowers? And these are little pieces you can cut up if you want to. Awesome. My guess is they probably also have a 12 by 12. I just didn't get that. And then the last one is the A4 size, which is a little bit of a different size. So A4 is 8.27 by 11.69 or 21 by 29.7. So just to give you a comparison, this sheet right here is right here. So it's the same pattern. It's just, you know, this has been shrunk down. So if you want a bigger pattern, you could do this, but look at the watercolor. Same concept. So pretty. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to play with it all. And I love that I can get all these different sizes. And that this is different than these, and I can kind of like mix and match them, which is awesome. I got a Becky Higgins Project Life book. I have never had one of these. I have seen them many times, but I've never personally had them before. This is one where you've got a small little note card piece and then a large piece. So technically, this piece could fit here, and this piece could fit here, or you could use it for all different kinds of stuff. So it's got a really nice, this is the Midnight one, and this is just a mini album. All the pages are exactly the same. They're all built exactly the same. This thing has 20 pages in it, so that is a lot. And you can do one on one side and one on the other, so technically you have 40 pages worth, which I think is cool. And then this little insert that you can put something in the front, which I think is fun. I've seen these albums a ton of times, but I've never actually had one, so yay. Woo! All right, as weird as this is, the thing that I'm most excited about out of all this is the white cardstock. Like the weirdest in the world. Oh my gosh, I think I'm crazy. Reason is that this is the Nina white cardstock. This is the Solar White, and I use it for all my cards, and I am almost out. So I am very happy that I got another batch because I go through this stuff like crazy when I create cards. I use it for the backgrounds of my cards. I use it for my layers. I use it to stamp on, and then I die cut the pieces out. I go through this stuff like it's water. I also got some double-sided adhesive sheets. These are the clear ones. I use these on a couple of the cards that I made. It's great when you want to put something on, die cut it, and then it becomes a sticker. So it works really well. So, oh my gosh, I'm in absolute heaven. I have all these amazing goodies to play with. You know there's going to be some projects coming from this. And this is all courtesy of scrapbook.com for entering in some of their contests. Yes. So don't forget to head on over to scrapbook.com. Check out their links. Check out all their amazing things. They have deals going on all the time, and they get the latest and greatest from all the amazing collections. So thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.